My dear Palestinian friends, listen to me. The world is changing. You won. You Palestinians, you Gazans, you people who are in a concentration camp, you have made a revolution in the United States of America. America will never be the same. I promise you. I promise you. I see it. You changed America, let alone defeated Israel. You changed the world. You paid a very, very painful price for it. And the world owes you that. And every American owes you that because you're liberating the United States of America. Forget about everybody else. You Gazans have liberated the United States of America. I promise you that. Do not accept anything less than from the river to the sea. All of it. You should be ruling the world. You're the only people who are fighting for freedom and liberty. Everybody else is playing